Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In one of my last videos I said that I was going to be showing you how to make dumplings, so this is what I'm going to be doing. This is the recipe we are following that I will link down below, and I'm just going to show you like all the ingredients, what we do, and yeah, let's get on. Okay, so first Maya is washing these Chinese chives which we got at the Chinese market. And we need 1 tablespoon for the dipping sauce and then like 2 tablespoons for the actual. Well, 2 tablespoons. We're doubling the recipe. We're using 4 tablespoons for the actual dumplings. Okay, so while Maya continues to mince the Chinese chives, what I did was I grabbed a big bowl to mix everything in, and now we have 2 pounds of pork from the Chinese market because we're making pork dumplings, and then we have this jar of minced garlic which we also got at the Chinese market, and then this thing of crushed ginger. It looks like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix the 2 pounds of pork with six of these because we're doubling the recipe, and then we're also going to have 2 tablespoons of this fresh ginger. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then we're going to add in the rest of like all the sauces and the tablespoons and stuff later. Oh, and we also are going to add 2 eggs. So yeah. This is all mixed. I went to wash my hands because you have to use your hands to mix everything. And now we have these dumpling wrappers that we also got at the Asian market. And basically what you do is you take a spoon, you take about 1 spoonful, and then you put it in the center of these little wrappers, and then you take your finger and you put water. You take your finger and you put water around the edges, and then you fold it up so it makes like a crescent shape. And then there's like different ways of pinching and folding, so it's like a stylistic choice. Yeah. So now we're gonna go do that. Okay, so we just finished folding all the dumplings, and what we did was we put them on a tray, and then we put those trays in the freezer to stay, because we're not going to cook all of them at once. But basically once you make those dumplings, then you make the sauce, which is in the recipe, and then you cook them. So I will be back on when we cook them and make the sauce. Put peanut oil on the frying pan. So now we're waiting for the pan to heat up, and then you put the dumplings in and like let it sizzle, and when it turns brown you add water and then put the lid on and then let them cook. This is our final dinner project. We have this microwavable fried rice, And they're the dumplings. Yummy. Oh, and of course we have the soy sauce and then the special sauce that Maya made that came from the recipe. So now we're gonna eat dinner. Alright you guys, so the dumplings were very delicious. Basically what we did with all of the leftover dumplings is we put them in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. So that is it for this dumpling making video. So I will see you all next time. Bye!